Assalamu alaikum. In previous video, we see how to create service request and work order. In this video, we will see how to search our service request and work order created previously. So for that, first we have to open the application. First we will go to service request, open this application, and simply we will hit the enter button here. Once we will hit the enter button, all record related to the user will appear here. So whatever you want to open, you can open any record and you can check. This is the first step to search the record created by the user. In the second way, we will open the service request application, and suppose you want to search record for our group or our site or for any particular date. We can go here. There is different field is there. We will go in the different field and we will put, suppose you want to filter by the group. We will type here group and we will find all record related to this group. Okay. Same as suppose you want to search for the site, we can do like this. We can select the site. We will remove the group. We will go here and you will find your site. Here we can select our site and hit the enter. All record appear for this site. Okay. So this is the second way. Another way to search, suppose we have any record, suppose this number, and we want to open and see the detail of this request. For that, we will open the application service request. We will type here the number and hit the enter. This record will appear here. We can open and see the record details, whatever is there inside. Okay, who is requested, who is the affected person, what is the work problem, like this for related to which location, like this all detail we can see here. There is another way, more detailed way to search the service request. For that, we will go to service request. There is another way also. We can open the single record from here also. Find service request. We will click here and we will put the number. We will enter. The record will open here. We can see and analyze it. There is another way also to search the record according to some parameter. So for that, we will open the service request and we will go here in the advanced search, the more search field. We will click here and a box will appear. In this box, we can put so many parameters to search the record. So that parameter according to requirement. Suppose you want to search by group, search by site, search by the history, search by asset, search by location, or search by the reported date or affected date or anything. It means this is the parameter, and whatever you want, you can select here the parameter and you can search the record. Suppose you want to search for the group 52 and record created for last 1 year. So you will select here group. If you need, you can select site also. This site for Riyadh. If you don't want to select site, don't select site, put here group. Only particular group will appear. So for group 52, and you want to search for this year, 26. So we'll put here reported date. Reported date, it will be in format of the year, month, and date. So first we will write year, then month, and then date. And suppose you want to search up to February end, so you can put the last date also. If you will not put the last date, this will search according to up to today. So last date will be today. Suppose you want to put any last date, you can put the last date also. Like this. Suppose I want to search from 1st January to 28 February. So all record will appear for this 2 months for the particular this 52 group. We will click the find. The record will appear here. See, this for group 52 and this date for from January to up to February. here. So for this, all record for this group appear here. This record you can download also from here, or you can print also. In next video, I will show how to print the record. Okay, same process we can do for the work order also. For that, we have to go in the work order application here. Same, press here enter. You will find all record related to this user. Suppose you want to open any single record, you take the number of the record, go to the work order application, type here work order number, this work order will appear. You can open and see the detail of this work order. Okay, everything, either work order, in planning, in actual, everything you can check. Same, you want to open directly, you can click work order, you can put the number here, find work order, and the work order will open automatically, directly. Okay, here you can see the work order. Same for detail search, you can use the more search field. You can click here, more search field. Same, you put here different parameter according to your requirement, and you will find the all list of work order. I'm searching for group 52. Okay, the size group 52. Did not select here properly. Group 52 and click here. It will select, and this belongs to Riyadh site. So site should be according to group. So I will select here group 52. Site by default it is Riyadh. For another group you can select the particular site. Here I will put the date. I will put for 1 year from 2025 1/1 till now. So I will did not put here date, and I will click find. The all record for group 52 since 1/1/2025 till now will appear here. Taking some time, nothing appear. No problem. We can change here group. See, for this group, all work order created from 1/1/2025, it appear here. Okay, so this is the total process to search your particular record according to your requirement. Okay. In next video, we will see how to print report for this work order and service request. That's all. Okay.